Hi YouTube family, this is Buffy and this is Buffy's Flavorful Journey. Happy New Year everybody, we made it, it's 2024 and I'm wishing you all the best. I'm also starting my pantry/freezer challenge by trying to cook what I have in my pantry and freezer instead of going to the store. Except I will go to the store if I need anything essential or basic such as bread or dairy or milk, something like that if I don't already have it in the freezer or pantry. So what I did a couple days ago is I took something out of my freezer, let it thaw out in the refrigerator, and today I'm going to air fry it. I'm going to air fry it because I don't eat a lot of deep fried foods anymore because I'm 54 years old and I just can't handle it. My stomach doesn't like a lot of deep fried food. I don't know about you guys, but I just can't handle it. So what I took out of the freezer a couple days ago, I put it in the refrigerator to let it thaw out. Here it is. It's catfish. So I'll take you along and you'll see how I clean it, prep it, and air fry it. And let's get started. Okay, I got the catfish open into a plastic bowl. I'm gonna wash it. Got that slimy texture to it. So I'm going to use water and some lime juice. The lime juice helps to cut that slimy texture or feeling off the catfish. I also use the lime juice and water when I wash chicken. But because I'm going to air fry this, I'm going to have to dry it really well before I air fry it. Because whenever you're air frying any fish or chicken, you want the fish or chicken to be dry before you batter it up, or if you fry it just with some seasoning. Otherwise it won't be crispy. Pouring off any excess water. And then I'm getting some paper towels. There were 6 pieces of fish inside the package. Got a bag here for trash. Also want to dry out some extra water. Any excess water in the bowl. And then I dry off each individual fillet, because these are catfish fillets. And I bought these at Sam's Club. When you buy them, they're fresh. But because I wasn't gonna cook them right away, I froze them and then thawed them out in the refrigerator. In my area, I don't know why, but it's hard to find fresh catfish. I mean, the grocery stores will have it, but there's no seafood place that you can go and buy fresh fish. We used to have it years ago, but now we don't. Because again, you want to get as much the moisture off of the meat, or in this case the fish, as possible when you're air frying. And I use yellow mustard when I'm frying catfish and chicken as well. You don't need a lot. And notice you're not going to taste the mustard. That's how much I put on there. I also have my own seasoning blend. It's got paprika, salt, pepper, and other stuff in there. I know I put quite a bit of stuff in there, but I was foolish. I didn't write down what I put in there, so I'm not gonna be able to duplicate it, but you just get in the kitchen and put whatever seasonings you normally use, that you like to use, and you know, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, those are the basics. Then you add whatever else you like to add. And this is my favorite fish fry, Louisiana Seasoned fish fry. So I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna put some of that in the baggie. I'll also add some cornmeal, some of my seasoning blend. Get some cornmeal. Here's another seasoning blend I made up. And again, I didn't write it down. I'll put that one in this one. Here's some cornmeal. And yes, I reuse containers. I need to shake it up first. Shake up the breading mix. I'm gonna preheat my air fryer. Okay, got that preheated, or preheating. Now let's mix up the seasoning mix with the mustard on it. And I'm gonna put them all in the bag. I know some people only do a few at a time, but I'm putting them all in there. I've done this before, it'll work. I want to rinse my hand off a little bit. Put that bowl out of the way. And then I'll just shake the fish to get it coated. And that looks pretty good. Now we just wait on the air fryer to preheat and put stuff away while it's doing that. Oh, there it is. I'm using my Ninja indoor grill. I have it on the air crisp setting. It's telling me to add the food. And I use olive oil spray. Coat the bottom a little bit. I know it's air fry, but you do need to add a little oil, but it's nowhere near as much oil as you do use when you deep fry something. Shake off any excess batter. And these are some big pieces, so probably gonna do 3 and 3 because they're so big. Might be able to get 4 on here. See, there's another kind of small one. Yeah, I can get 4. I'm gonna spray them on top and let it go. I have it set for 30 minutes. It's not gonna take that long to cook. The other 2 I'll leave in the bag till we're ready to fry them up. I'm gonna check it for 1 little over 5 minutes. I need to move that over a little bit. I'm a little light is in the way. And it needs a little bit more oil. Some be dry patches of batter if I don't. See how golden it's gotten on here? I'm not quite ready to flip it over yet though. Maybe another couple minutes. I'm gonna go on and flip it over. As you can see, it's nice and golden. And it comes from the batter, which has paprika in it. Paprika adds that golden brown color when you're cooking catfish and fried chicken. Let's see if we can do these together. Oh, excellent. Okay. This side doesn't need as much. Okay. Be back when it's done. Check on the catfish and use my thermometer. When it reaches 145, it's done. That one's 148 going up. 153. Oh yeah. So these are done. Take these off and I'll put the other 2 on there. Don't need to add any oil. There's enough oil on the bottom of it. From the first go around. Do need to spray the top though. Just a little bit. And I'll be back when they're done. Here's the finished catfish. All 6 pieces. I like to eat mine as a sandwich with hot sauce and mustard. How do you guys like to eat yours? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. And again, Happy New Year. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.